Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Ready to explore some of the most magical spots in England? Stick with me for these top 10 must-see places you absolutely can't miss. First up, London. No trip to England is complete without visiting its iconic capital. From the historic Tower of London to the modern marvel of the London Eye, it's a city that perfectly blends the old with the new. Next, let's head to the Cotswolds. This charming region is known for its rolling hills and quaint villages. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Bibury and Bourton-on-the-Water are absolute must-sees. On to Bath. This city is famous for its Roman-built baths. Wander around the stunning Georgian architecture and take a dip in the Thermae Bath Spa. Trust me, you won't regret it. Number 4. Stonehenge. This prehistoric monument is shrouded in mystery and magic. Standing in the presence of these ancient stones is an experience you'll never forget. York is up next. With its incredible medieval streets, the York Minster and the ancient city walls, York is a history lover's dream. The Lake District is number 6. If you love the great outdoors, this is the place for you. Stunning lakes, lush greenery, and peaceful trails make it perfect for hiking and boating. 7th on our list, Cambridge. Famous for its prestigious university, this city offers beautiful architecture, hunting on the River Cam, and delightful museums. Next, let's visit Oxford. Another university town, Oxford is filled with historic buildings and picturesque scenery. Don't miss the Bodleian Library and the Ashmolean Museum. The 9th spot goes to Cornwall. Known for its rugged coastline, beautiful beaches, and charming fishing villages, Cornwall is perfect for a coastal getaway. Check out St. Ives and the Eden Project. Finally, the Peak District. As England's first national park, it's a paradise for nature lovers. With its stunning landscapes and quaint villages, it's the perfect place to unwind and explore. So, there you have it. 10 incredible spots in England that you must see. Start planning your trip now, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. Happy travels!